We are going to be talking about scholarship for bachelor's, for master, and PhD students today. So, for those who are looking for master program, the admission scholarship is valued at 7,500 per year, and the tuition fee exemption scholarship, the amount actually depend on the enrolled degree program for international students, which means you need to check your own program very well and see that this actually is what you are going to get for your own specific program. Special merit scholarship amount and duration may also vary because this is not just one scholarship that is being awarded to the international student. Every student who actually apply to the graduate scholarship will actually get up to 25,000 with 1,000 research allowance available to every female applicant. Okay, so which means we have the one that is majorly targeting the female applicants, right? But everybody can also get funding. We have the MyTax Global Link Fellowship that is also available for all international students. So, if you are looking to apply to master degree scholarship today, these are the benefits that you can get from this university in Canada today. Right now, let's take a quick look at what is available for bachelor students. Right, for those who are applying to bachelor programs, there are a lot of scholarship right here for you, and I cannot tell or talk about them all. Okay, so you just need to keep looking at them. You can pause the video, read it, and then make your own research for what is available. We have the one from 1,000 to 4,000, the one for 1,000 per year, the one that is targeting French speaking students, right? We have the professional training scholarship. We have the one that is majorly for president scholarship that is value up to 30,000, right? And if you look at it very well, you're going to see that it is what is available to international students. So you don't want to miss out on any opportunity, right? So make sure you actually stay tuned to understand what you need to do to be able to actually apply and study in Canada with this scholarship if you are looking into master's, bachelor, or PhD scholarship in Canada today, right? So all of these scholarship are what is available for bachelor and even more. I cannot bring all of them right here. I just bring a few for you to see. Now, for those looking for PhD, this is the scholarship that actually carries everybody along, and every international student is going to be enjoying the international doctoral scholarship that is available for students without tuition waiver. So if you don't have tuition waiver, then this is available to you. The admission scholarship is valued at 72,000 over 4 years. Okay, which means this is the scholarship you've been looking for. Okay, now if you want to study in Canada, you are going to know that the cost of living and the cost of tuition is on the high side, right? And this scholarship actually are equivalent to what you actually needed to study as a student in Canada. The special merit scholarship, the amount also varies for international students, so you want to make sure you actually stay tuned to understand better. The MITAX Global Link Fellowship is also available for PhD students. The Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship, one of the Canada most prestigious scholarship, is also available for PhD students actually. The Ontario Graduate Scholarship is also valued at 35,000 for graduate students as well. Okay. And you are going to enjoy 2,000 additional for research programs. Okay. So if this sound interesting to you, make sure you actually click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any important information that we have for you on this channel. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. You know, I will not miss that out. If you are going to be applying to schools, different schools have different criteria that you must meet up with. First thing is you need a strong academic performance, and this is very, very important with specific GPA standard for different scholarship. So it depends on the scholarship that you are targeting that will determine what your GPA must look like. Applicants must be enrolled or plan to enroll in an undergraduate or graduate program at the University of Ottawa for 2025. Scholarships are available for both domestic and international students actually, but some may be limited to Canadian citizen or even permanent resident. But those that we've looked at are the ones that have unpicked for international students, right? Okay, leadership skills, community services, and extracurriculum activities involvement can also help you make your application profile stand out, right? You must make sure that you actually complete the scholarship application. Make sure you attach your transcript of record, you add your recommendation letter, and you must make sure you submit before the deadline. All of these are important things that you cannot miss out on. Now, how do you check other eligibility information that are not here? So there's a link for you here, this particular one right here that you can actually click on right here. So you can go check them out, both for the graduate and undergraduate students. Okay, so the required documents, you need your academic transcript, you need a letter of recommendation, which is mostly two. You need a personal statement of why you are enrolling, or essay, proof of enrollment or application to a program. Make sure you are planning to apply for a program or you've already applied to a program. Copy of your identity documents, which is either your passport or your identity card if you are a domestic student. Any additional documents required by the specific scholarship that you are targeting. Okay, so you want to make sure you check each of these scholarship requirements before you apply. Okay, so if you then think that you are okay with all of this, then you want to go ahead to submit your application. If you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on anything on this channel. The deadline actually varies. So, for those who are applying, the deadline for the University of Ottawa itself, the scholarship varies. So, it's essential that you check the official scholarship page for the specific date and the general aligning with the admission deadline for the 2025 academic year so that you don't miss out. If you think you are ready, then I'm ready to show you how to apply. How do you apply? For you to apply, you need to first go ahead to check the University of Ottawa scholarship page, which I'm going to make sure I show you the link before the end of this video, right? The scholarship web page, you can find more information, you can explore additional scholarship that are available, you can check the eligibility requirement, then you complete the online scholarship application form that is provided to you. Make sure all your personal information and academic information is accurate. Make sure you gather all the documents that we've looked at and then check additional requirements or documents that is required for the scholarship that you are majorly targeting. Okay, so when you are done with this, you want to go ahead, attach your transcripts, letter of recommendation, personal statement. All of this are things that you cannot miss out on. And you must make sure that you ensure that all the materials are submitted before the deadline. All of these are things that I've talked to you about. Okay, so now if you want to apply, you then want to check the link right here. All right. So for those who are looking into undergraduates, this is the link you have to check. For those who are looking into graduates, this is the link you have to check. Right. And if you still want to move to Europe in 2025, you can check my new ebook, Study and Migrate to Germany for free, which you can actually process yourself. In this ebook, I have over 200 programs, schools, and this is a step-by-step guide for you on how you can find programs, right? I already have all this list of programs for you, so you don't need to stress yourself of finding programs around. I have listed the schools that have those programs for you so that you know the school which you want to directly apply to so that you don't stress yourself. You know the school that have tuition fee and the one that does not have tuition fee. And most of the school that I have in this ebook does not even have tuition fee. You have a guide to how to write your letter of statement of purpose, and also you have the privilege to speak with me in a one-on-one course section. Okay, information about proof of fund, how you can bypass it, all of those things are already in this ebook. The ebook is going for 30,000 today, but if you make use of this coupon code right here, you can actually get this ebook for just 10,000 naira. Okay, so you want to make sure when you get to the checkout page, put in this coupon code Germany25. Okay, and you are going to only pay 9,900 naira, which is not even up to 10,000 naira right now. But with the transaction fee, you are going to incur that cost. Okay, so this is everything I have to share with you in today's video. I hope this is helpful enough to help you make decision if you want to move to Canada in 2025 or not. Okay, so till then, I'm going to catch up with you again. Thank you very much, and I will see you in another one.